So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So guys, this video is gonna be a very special video because as you can see today also I am practicing the English language. As you can see, there are some naughty boys that are disturbing me, they are not letting me to make the video, but I will not care because I always tell to everyone, people will throw stones at you but don't throw them well, collect them and build an empire. So guys, it is the thing that I wanna tell, and then just do your practice. There is no one who are gonna stop you because they are not helping you. Okay, so that's why I also will make my videos. I will practice the American accent. Now guys, I want to tell that why I'm making this video. As everyone knows, I have taken a challenge. This challenge is 1 week for American accent challenge. In this challenge I have to make 2 videos daily about the American accent for 70s. Yes, you listen right. And now guys, as you can see, I am also doing the morning works. I am completing my mandatory work and also I am making the videos. So making videos is very great for me because I think that with the help of making videos only, I am now able to speak the English language, and I am sure that for the help of the English language, for the help of the making videos, one day I also will able to speak in American accent. Okay, everyone will think that, oh, look at that native speaker, he's like great native speaker. So American accent, I love it, and that's why I'm practicing it, and it is very important guys. Without this American accent, I think that English is very slow. Just try it. Now for example, I'm gonna give you and I'm gonna tell you a story. The story's name is Lalu and Pilu. Lalu and Pilu, this story is very interesting, and now I'm making this video for to understand you that how I practice the American accent and why this American accent is now for everyone. It is very important rather than the Indian accent. So now first of all, I will tell you the story. I will tell you the story in the Indian accent. Fully I will tell you in Indian accent, and then after a few moments I will again tell you the whole story in the American accent. So now guys, try to listen the Indian accent. So once upon a hen, she had 2 chicks, Lalu and Pilu. Lalu was red, that's why he loved red things. But Pilu was yellow, that's why he loved yellow things. One day, Lalu saw something on a plant. It was red. He ate it up, and after few moments, Lalu understand that the thing he ate it up, it was a red chili. Okay guys, do you understand? It was a red chili, and then Malu's mouth started burning. Oh mother, Pilu, please help me, Lalu started shouting, and then after a few moments, mother hen and Pilu came to. And then Pilu understand the situation, and he went away. And after a few moments, Pilu came back with a yellow sweet laddu. And then Pilu said to Lalu that, hey Lalu, just wait, I have got something for you. And then Pilu gave the yellow laddu to Lalu, and then Lalu ate it up. The yellow laddu means he gobbled up the laddu. And then after a few moments, Lalu's mouth stopped burning, and then he kissed the mother hen and Pilu. So guys, this simple Indian accent I just tell you, and I'm also now practicing, so don't worry. And if I am doing any mistake, then guys please tell me in the comment section. The comment section is free for everyone, so don't shy or don't think that this boy is practicing. No, I am practicing, and that's why I have to focus on my problems. Because whenever you focus on your problems, you'll have more problems. But when you will focus on your possibilities, then you can get more opportunities. And without knowing my problems, I can't solve them for new another great and also good contents. So now guys, remember this thing, and the thing that I want to tell everyone, now it's the time for the American accent. Yes, my favorite accent, American accent. I will try to tell you the story in now American accent, which is the Lalu and Pilu. So now try to understand it, that once upon a time there was a hen. She had 2 chicks, Lalu and Pilu. Lalu was red, that's why he loved red things, and Pilu was yellow. That's why he loved yellow things. One Lalu saw something on a plant. It was red. He ate it up. Oh no! After some moments, Lalu understood that it was a red chili. And then Lalu's mouth started burning. Oh no! Mother hen! He started shouting out that mother hen and Pilu, please help me, please help me. And then after a moment, mother hen and Pilu came to Lalu. And then Lalu was very in trouble. That's why Pilu also didn't feel good. He went away for a moment, and after some moment, Pilu came to Lalu with a yellow laddu. And then Pilu said to Lalu that, hey Lalu, I get something for you. And then Lalu said, what? And then Pilu gave the yellow laddu to Lalu. Lalu gobbled up the laddu in a moment, and then after, his mouth stopped burning. And this story is in here. The story is very beautiful and also one of my favorite story, because guys, you can understand from this story what is the brotherhood. So now I think everyone understand the difference between the between the Indian accent and the American accent. They are so different, guys. And I wanna tell, whenever I use the American accent, I don't know why, because I will give you the answer also at the last. Whenever I use the American accent, then guys, I can speak, I can express my feelings, my words, my sentences more cleanly and also more good. And it is very important, guys, for someone, and the English language, as how much you can speak it, it is the only matter, guys. And for that, just try to do at your home. Try to speak the English for 20 minutes or as much as you can speak it in the Indian accent, in your normal accent, and I am sure after 10 or 20 minutes you are gonna be so tired, badly tired, because I know, I also always I make the regular videos. That's why I know that English language is very complicated language, and don't think that it is your mother tongue and that's why you can speak it as much as you want. No, there is also a limit, a tiredness limit out there in our body. But guys, if you use the American accent for to speak it, then you can get more double results. Because I want to tell everyone that if you notice at the native speaker speeches, then you can understand, guys, that the native speakers, they speaks for a long time, for 20 minutes, for 30 minutes, for 40 minutes. Their motivation speech are near about like 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So that's why I tell that American accent is very important. And now guys, as you can see, the boys now also, they don't leave me, they are following me, but I don't care about them people, and they laugh at me because I am different, but I will laugh at them because they are all same. So now this course, okay, try to take this, any course, any sentences, just try to practice them, and it will be very good, guys, for everyone, for to speak, for to learn the American accent. Like I also now use a code that they laugh at me because I am different, but I laugh at them because they are all same. So now I will try to tell you in the Indian accent what is the Indian translation. Like guys, try to understand that they laugh at me because I am different, but I laugh at them because they are all same. It is the Indian. They laugh at me because I am different, but I laugh at them because they are all same. And now the same sentence I will tell you in the American accent, that they laugh at me because I am different, but I laugh at them because they are all same. They laugh at me because I am different. They laugh at me because I am different, but I laugh at them because they are all same. They are all same. They are all same. You can understand that in the American accent there is vibes out there. There are many vibes, means it's called a sound vibe, and it is the staircase intonation. Staircase intonation is very important for any language and also for any accent that you wanna speak. You need the staircase intonation. Like now, what's the thing about the staircase? When you are gonna learn and when you are gonna like use the staircase in your speaking, then all of the sentences, they will come very smoothly, and also you can speak them very slowly, very fastly. And now what's the meaning of the staircase intonation? Now guys, I want to tell everyone that the staircase intonation means is that staircase, what we know, that we everyone we knows that staircase means going up and down, like the stairs helps us to go up and down. So now also in this time the staircase also have the same use, guys. You have to increase your volume a little bit time, and also if you down your volume in a little bit time, it is natural and it will come in your speaking, in your like speeches very automatically. So now guys, that's also trick to use the staircase intonation. You don't have to do anything, just take a sentence and then in some word just try to increase your volume, and in some sentences try to decrease your volume, means your sound. Now what is the meaning of that, guys? I want to tell you that a chord is there that some people feel the rain, others just get to it. Like it is a normal, some people feel that in others just get to it. But the American people, they input a sound, guys. Okay. Now the question is what? I want to tell everyone that some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. So it is the thing. I increase my volume in all of the barbs. So guys, you also have to do the same. Whenever you're gonna see a barb related word in a sentence, then just increase your volume. It will take time, but you can take the help of the stories, and stories, they are very very important. Just try to take a story and then try to speak it. And now guys, at the last, I know that for this thing is for all of the people who are still watching and who are still enjoying this video, that now guys, I want to give you a secret trick to speak in American accent. Yes guys, and this trick is spread your mouth. Yes, spreading mouth position is a very very important and beneficial practice for everyone. You don't have to do anything. Whenever you want to speak, whenever you want to use the American accent in your speeches, in your conversation, while doing any conversation, then just try to spread your mouth like that, like that. Try to spread your mouth and then speak. Like, hi, my name is Pradeep Burman. I will class 7 in Ramakrishna Ashram Vidya Mandir. And you also can notice a little bit thing, that whenever you will listen to a native speaker, you observe the lips thing. Okay, their lips will always spread out like that. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so when you will speak also in this position without not doing your mouth like oh, whenever we speak anything, like if you want to do something, then you have to be crazy. If you think everything is easy when you are crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you are lazy for it. Everything is easy when you are crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you are lazy for it. You can observe that most of the time my mouth shape becomes O, like O sound, like a circle type. But whenever I will speak the same quotes in the American accent, then it will be sound like that. Some people, means everything is easy when you're crazy for it. Everything is easy when you're crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you're lazy for it. Everything is easy when you're crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you're lazy for it. Only I spread my mouth. So guys, as you can see, the people there is also now they're following me, and now I am gonna end this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next video in another topic. So guys, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon for support me in this channel. So bye bye.